This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Golf. This compact has a manual transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear spoiler, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, performance tires, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Toyota of McDonough for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 144 Highway 81 West in McDonough.